Hey everyone, what if the literal blueprint for a sustainable, low-cost digital income stream is sitting right there on your phone? Today, we're unpacking Pinterest affiliate marketing. We're going to break down the exact workflow to turn this super visual platform into a real revenue generator. It's a fascinating look at how just a few simple tools can help you build a totally robust online business. Let's get into it.
500 million. Yeah, that is the massive scale of Pinterest's monthly active users. To put that into perspective, it's a huge chunk of the internet. And here's why this is an absolute goldmine. Pinterest isn't just some social media app where people aimlessly scroll to pass the time. It is a visual search engine. Users log on with incredibly high intent. They're actively seeking inspiration, planning out projects, and most importantly for us, they're looking to buy. It's this vast pool of potential buyers that's just kind of sitting there, largely underserved by creators today.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our roadmap for the explainer today. We're starting with the untapped opportunity. Then we'll hit choosing your niche, sourcing products, building a media brand, creating SEO content, and finally, we'll wrap the whole thing up with playing the long game.
Section 1, the untapped opportunity. Honestly, it's time to stop fighting for attention on those super saturated platforms. Pinterest is built entirely on high-intent search, and that is a total game changer.
Moving on to Section 2, choosing your specific niche. You cannot be everything to everyone here. Focus and aesthetics are absolutely your foundation.
Now, roughly 80% of Pinterest users are women. If you're trying to figure out where to start your brand, tailoring products to this massive core demographic is a huge advantage. Our source material highlights women's hair care and supplements as a highly effective niche, and it makes complete sense. It perfectly aligns with the audience already searching on the platform in massive droves. When someone lands on your page, your brand's vibe, its overall aesthetic, needs to be immediately clear. You know, you really can't post about hair care one minute and then like auto parts the next. Pick something you're genuinely passionate about and stick to it. All right, Section 3, sourcing top affiliate products. Let's look at how to find exactly what to sell so you aren't stuck reinventing the wheel. Before you go signing up anywhere, jump straight onto Pinterest. Look up popular pins in your category, maybe something like rosemary hair growth oil, just to validate that people actually want to buy it. So where do you get these validated products to sell? Well, check out these top networks. Amazon Associates is fantastic just because of its massive product variety. Impact.com is really great for partnering with major established brands like Adidas or Nike. And PartnerStack is absolutely perfect if your niche involves software products. Basically, as an affiliate, you'll earn a commission. That's usually a percentage, anywhere between 1 and 10% of a sale, whenever a user buys something within 24 hours of clicking your custom link. Pretty cool, right? Next up, Section 4, building your media brand. This part is all about moving way past those amateur tactics and building deep, professional trust with your audience. Now, what's really interesting here is the stark contrast in strategy. You simply cannot act like a rogue, link-spamming affiliate. The spammy creator relies on these chaotic direct links and confusing aesthetics. That is a surefire way to get flagged by Pinterest and outright rejected by major networks like Amazon. Meanwhile, the professional media brand, they play it smart. You're building a legitimate digital publication. You're driving traffic to your own custom.com domain, providing genuinely helpful blog articles, and embedding your affiliate links naturally right within that valuable content. This is the highly effective, totally sustainable method. So how do those actionable steps actually break down? Well, step 1, claim a trustworthy .com domain, something like wyomingnaturals.com, using a hosting platform like Hostinger. Step 2, utilize their built-in AI website builder to instantly generate your site layout. And step 3, publish helpful blog articles and a dedicated resources page. Because of these incredible AI tools we have now, this entire foundation phase, literally pouring the concrete for the infrastructure of your media brand, can be compressed into, no joke, just 15 to 20 minutes. Let's clearly define a totally critical part of that website, the resources page. Think of this as a dedicated, beautifully designed section listing your top recommended products, complete with your embedded affiliate links. This acts as your primary monetization hub. Instead of just throwing naked Amazon links directly onto Pinterest, you direct your audience to this clean, professional page or to specific blog posts where your links naturally live.
Section 5, creating SEO-optimized content. It's time to build the curb appeal of our digital house with optimized pins that actually drive search traffic.
You definitely don't have to do this all manually. Here are the AI tools that make this entire workflow possible and honestly prevent early burnout.
Canva is perfect for creating your logo and designing static pins really quickly. Videogen.io can automatically create narrated AI explainer videos in literally seconds. And ChatGPT is your absolute go-to for writing SEO-optimized pin descriptions and generating video prompts. By leveraging this exact tech stack, a single creator can easily batch 20 to 30 pins for their first week.
It is unbelievably seamless. You just feed a simple prompt like, make a video about how rosemary oil is good for your hair. Right into ChatGPT to write the script, and then pop that into Videogen to generate the visuals and the AI voiceover. Boom. You can create a highly professional short-form video for Pinterest in a matter of seconds. It looks like it took you hours of editing, but it literally took mere moments.
When you start posting these creations, you absolutely must follow best practices. Remember, Pinterest is a search engine. You gotta target keywords in your pin titles and descriptions. Clearly describe what the product does so the algorithm knows exactly what your pin is about. Always link back to your blog or resources page, not directly to Amazon. Try to publish consistently, about 1 to 2 times daily, and definitely utilize Pinterest's native scheduling tool to queue up your batch-created content so you can just set it and forget it.
And finally, Section 6, playing the long game. Because in this business, consistency is absolutely key.
This brings us to the absolute biggest pitfall beginners face: shiny object syndrome. You know, it's that tendency to abandon a project for a new idea before you even see results. We've all been there. But building a site, posting 5 pins, and then jumping to the next internet trend by Tuesday is a recipe for failure. You are not going to make $1 million in your first month. Honestly, it might take multiple months of daily posting before you see your first $100. Consistency and avoiding those distractions is the true, unglamorous secret to building a digital asset that actually compounds over time.
So everything you need is mapped out right here. You understand the untapped platform, the niche selection, the AI tech stack, and the required mindset. The only question left is, will you stick with the blueprint long enough to let it snowball? Challenge yourself to beat shiny object syndrome today. The compounding power of Pinterest is waiting.